In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a GIF in Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. Click Create a Design and choose Presentation or Mobile Video to get a vertical canvas. Next, go to the Elements section and add any image, icon or graphic you want to animate. You can also upload your own image. After placing your element on the canvas, click the Duplicate Page button to create multiple pages. Each page will act like a frame in your GIF. Now, slightly change the element on each page. For example, move it, change its color, or adjust its position to create movement between frames. Then click on the page duration and set it to around 0.5 to 1 second for each page. This controls how fast your GIF plays. You can also add animations from the top toolbar to make the movement smoother. Preview your design to make sure the animation looks good and flows properly. Finally, click Share, then Download, and select GIF as the file type. That is how you make a GIF in Canva.